A new AI image generation model has just hit the scene. Is it Grok 2 from Elon or Imagen 3 from Google? Well, it's neither. Meet Flux, the latest open-source AI image generator that has been causing a buzz lately. Over the past year, AI-generated art has exploded in popularity, with tools like Adobe Firefly, Midjourney, and Stable Diffusion constantly competing to push the boundaries of AI-generated art. But just when we thought we'd seen it all, Flux entered the chat. So, what exactly is Flux? Flux is an open-source AI image generator developed by the tech wizards at Black Forest Labs. Black Forest Labs isn't just any startup. This powerhouse team is made up of the original creators of the Stable Diffusion models. Remember the incredible Stable Diffusion XL and the real-time capabilities of rectified flow transformers? Yeah, those were their brainchildren. Flux comes in 3 flavors: Pro, Dev, and Schnell. Flux Pro is the powerhouse, available via API for commercial use. It generates top-tier images, but requires hefty system spec. Flux Dev is an open-weight distilled model from the Pro version that can be used for non-commercial applications. Flux Schnell is the lightweight speedy variant under the Apache 2.0 license, which can be used commercially. But how does it work? Imagine you want to create an image of a sunset over a mountain range with a river flowing through the valley. You type this description into the Flux.1 model, and within moments, you get a stunning image that matches your description perfectly. But how does Flux.1 make this happen? When you type your description, Flux.1 first uses a multimodal transformer to understand the text. Transformers are powerful AI models that can analyze sequences of words and grasp the meaning behind them. In our example, the model breaks down your input into concepts like sunset, mountain range, river, and valley, and understands how these elements relate to each other. Once Flux.1 understands your request, it begins creating the image using a process called parallel diffusion. Think of this as the model starting with a blank canvas full of random noise and gradually refining it into a clear picture. But here's where Flux.1 shines. It doesn't just refine the image step by step. Like traditional models, it does this more efficiently by processing multiple parts of the image at the same time. This parallel approach speeds up the creation process and allows the model to handle complex scenes with many details, like the sunset, mountains, and river in our example. Flux.1 further improves the image using a technique called flow matching. Flow matching guides the model to ensure that the image aligns perfectly with your input. To make sure everything in the image is placed correctly, Flux.1 uses rotary positional embeddings. These embeddings help the model understand where each element should be located in the image. So in our example, the sunset would be in the sky, the mountains would rise from the ground, and the river would wind through the valley, just as you imagined it. After these steps, Flux.1 delivers the final image. To use the Flux.1 model, you can go to Hugging Face and try out the Dev and Schnell models for free. Else, if you want to run it locally, check out MDMZ's video on how to run it locally using Comfy UI. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to comment down below and subscribe for more content like this.